pet regulations? How embarrassing for them.
Well, we're going to the Avengers Mansion, like mostly. And this guy is Giant Man. We're not gonna customize him. We're gonna try and customize maybe Beast. Let's customize Beast. Okay, before I get started, subscribe to my channel, like this video, link down, comment below. Now we're making Beast from the X-Men. Who should we break? Let's break, let's break Wolverine. Beast. The same hail, just blue. Let's see how this might look. No. Nope. Okay. That why? Hands. Blue. Sometimes he has a lab coat on. I would maybe give him like a lab coat, maybe. Oh, no. Can you even color any bodies? Huh. I guess you can't color any bodies. But why? So it is. Sometimes he has some pants. Let's make him with some pants. But right now, let's give him some powers. By digging, tracking, super grip, yeah. Oh yeah, he can fix, no. Oh yeah, yes, wall climbing. And yeah. Fighting. Jumping. Super jump. Wall jump. No. Oh, no, please. No, fire. This is our Beast character. Too bad we broke Wolverine. Beast would be perfect for Wolverine. Because Beast is on the exact same team as Wolverine. He is a beast that he should run fast.
Where should I go for lunch?
Oh yeah, his heart pop, his hearts.
Bother you, but yep, you guessed it. Some crime near you needs fighting.
We forgot to do this stuff. You want blue hearts. You don't want him to be invincible. Yeah. We think that's gonna be good. Now it's Testament. Too bad there's no Helicarrier anymore in Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. Because in Lego Marvel Superheroes 1 and Lego Marvel Avengers, they have a Helicarrier. But in Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, Kang the Conqueror, yes, for sure, he blew it up.
I really want to go a big snowball down the mountain. Times are hard enough in the city without giant frozen boulders hurtling towards the place.
Ooh, I can't feel my face.
There was some questionable training taking place on the mountain earlier. Must be some new kind of ancient martial art or something.
Let's battle some mummies. Falsely by that garbage can. What was that? Was that his gun? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring the bell, and comment below. Bye!